Back to a brand new presentation. So it's me Mamun and my ID is 17135 and 1920. So I'm from section B and my batch is 22. So today I'm gonna talk about a very much special project, and this is banking management system. So in my project there are some actors like admin, customer, manager, security, ATM, etc. etc. So this is the main class and this is my subclass. This is my parent class and this is my child class. So first of all, I'm going to start with my admin class. So in this admin class, I have two child class, and one is local admin and another is foreign admin. So let's go to the first of all, let's go to the code. So this is my actually parent class. So in this parent class, we have a constructor called admin, and in this constructor we have some variables like id, name and string, and another class here is local admin, and this local admin extends admin class because it's this is a child class. So all of the information, all of the method and everything bearing this class bearing will come into this subclass or the child class. Okay, so this is the extra variable for child class. So string q stands for qualification. So I have used here a method. This is a void type method, and this method is called l check. L check here, this L for local admin and check is means check. So local admin can check into security information into security data. That's why I have used that's why I have passed the object of the class. So this is the name of the class into security, and this is the object. So I have here given here condition that if I dot basic, if the basic salary is greater than 2000, in this line will be printed. So that means the name of the into security guard will be printed, and else then this line will be printed that you are not into security. And another method is BIF. Actually this method is also same. I have just passed the object of BIF customer, so that local admin now can check the information of BIF customer. So I have here given here a condition that if b dot id, if the customer ID is greater than 300 and customer ID is less than 305, this one will be printed, and else this line will be printed. So this is all about for my local admin class. So now I just want to move on to another class. This is foreign admin. So this is also my subclass of admin class. So that's why this class extends admin class. So here this is the extra variable. So here this is a string type data. So this is string JD means joining date. So here we have super. Why we have used super? Because this means the constructor variable, right? So I have just set the adjoining date and just create another method called fcheck. Here this f means foreign admin, and check is means check. So this the foreign admin can check outdoor security information. That is why I have used outdoor security. This is class name and this is object. So I've just used that if outdoor security height is less is greater than 5, then his ID, name and month if present will be printed, and else then you are not outdoor security. This will be printed, right? So that is the key point here. So I am not I am now working with foreign admin, right? So okay, and create a okay. So now there is another method called local, and in this local class I have local customer information can be accessed from foreign admin. So I have just given here some condition that if bh, so the l.bh dot equals bh stands for village home. If village home is equal Rajshahi or Dinajpur or Savar or Dhaka, so then this line will be printed that congrats, you are a local user. So this is all about my admin section. Now I want to move on to the another main class. This is my parent class. So let's see what this parent class is bearing. So in this class, what I am seeing, right? I'm seeing a parent class, and there is two subclass. So in this parent class, there is 1 2 3, actually I think 3 variable, and one variable is private, right? Sorry, 2 variable is private. Actually there are 4 variables, right? And we have just get the name and get the address of the of this variable. Okay, so in this class we have two method, which is called deposit method and withdraw method, right? So in this deposit method, here there is a parameter. User give the proper amount of money. So here this is for account. So how much money user inputted, this will be added to the account, right? So and the account total outcome will be printed. And another is method is called withdraw. And in this withdraw method, what we have seen, right, how much money user want to withdraw from the account. So user just input using constructor. Actually we set the value using using parameter, right? Yes. So here this is the money will be deducted from the account. So this is all about from my customer class. So another two class is VIP customer, and another class is local customer. So in this VIP customer extends customer. So in this VIP customer there is extra variable which is country name. So we just here use override method, and we just use this deposit. We have used this deposit into this class, so that's why we have used override method here. And also we have used this method called withdraw, so that's why we have also use override. So here I have given here a condition that if t, that means deposited money, is not equal to 0, then how much money user has given using using parameter, this will be added to the account, and else you cannot deposit. So that's the way of working deposit method. So another method is called withdraw, right? So this withdraw method, we have also used a parameter, right? So I have given here a condition that if w not equal to 1000, so how much money user want to withdrawn from the account, so this will be deducted from the account, right? So that's why this call name is withdraw. Okay, all right. So I think now you can understand how the VIP customer and local customer works. So and another important class is called manager. In this manager class we have some variable, right, like id, name, etc. So in this manager class we have two subclass. One is called senior manager and one is called junior manager, right? So let's okay, so in this senior manager it's bearing some extra variable, right? Like integer WD, that means working days. Here is for experience. And junior manager bearing some variable like salary, string b name. I think he is here for branch name. So now we are going to learn how the manager class or manager system works. So now first of all we want to start with junior manager. So in this junior manager we just simply use here a constructor and set the value of the variable, right? So we have used here array list. So we have used a method called check, and we have used array list here, and we have given here a condition that if village home dot equal to Fanny, then print that you are a local customer, right? So this is the way of working for junior manager, and another class is for senior manager. In this senior manager we have some we have also used array list, like right, you are seeing here we have used here array list. So this is our senior manager class. So you are seeing the array list, and we have also import the array list, and here we have given a condition that if cn is here, cn stands for country name. If country name is equal to bd, that means you are a VIP customer. So I think this is the way of working for senior manager. So we have another important class, this is called security. So we just want to move on to the security class. So in the security class we have also some variable like id, mp means monthly present, and actually we have used here abstract class. You are seeing extend, so that's why this class extends abc. Here this is a abstract class, this is my abstract class. So that's why there is a override method called calculation. And as in the security class we have also two subclass. One is for indoor security and one is for outdoor security. So now let's see how this security class works. So in this class we have id, multiplier and name, and we have just used a override method called calculation. And we have just used a condition that if monthly present is equal to 30, then you are a security guard. So we have given here a condition that if you are a security guard, you must have to attend in my in my locality 30 out of 30 days. So that's why this is the condition. If a monthly present is equal to 30, then you are a security guard, otherwise you are a manager. So in this security class there is a extend class. This is called subclass or child class. So this is indoor security. So in this indoor security we have used here a extra variable. Actually there is two extra variable. One is basic and another is shift type. So we have given here a condition that if shift type is equal to day, then you are a indoor security. Then and else if your basic salary is greater than or equal to 25,000, then all of the information of the Indo security guard will be printed. So we have another class that is called outdoor security. So in this outdoor security we have some extra variable like f is here for family members and h is here for height. So we can just check this in outdoor security. Outdoor security can check junior manager information. So we have given here a logic that if branch name is equal to Soban Bag, or branch name is equal to Talla Bag, or branch name is equal to Dhanmondi, then you are a junior manager, and otherwise you're nothing, you're zero, right? Okay, all right. So I'm just trying to explain you guys how this method works. So there is another important class. Another important class is ATM. So in this ATM, we have just important some variable, and so this is private string and TCID. TCID means, you know, ATM ID. And there is also another abstract class we have used here. So this is the name of the abstract class is class for ATM. So let's see, we have here two subclasses. So one is local ATM and another is foreign ATM, right? So let's see how ATM work. So here there is a private variable, right? Your private variable. So we just get the method, we just use encapsulation here, right? You just use encapsulation. So there is two actually subclass here, and one is local ATM. So in this local ATM we have some we have a extra variable called number of bundle. So we have just used here a condition that if number of bundle is greater than is 50,000, then this is a local ATM, or otherwise this is a foreign ATM. You know, this is a very much easy logic, right? This is very much easy logic. So I just want to inform you that this is not a actual project of banking management system. The banking management system is very large, is very big. So I think this is a small demo for banking management system, and the banking management system security must be so much high. So I think this is a demo. So I think you are understanding the situation, right? So there is another method called local ATM info. So this local ATM info method can check senior manager information. Just print senior manager information, just print all the variable of all the properties of senior manager. So I think this is the way of working for local ATM. So there is another class for ATM. So this is for an ATM, and this class extends ATM, right? So so there is another extra variable called repair date. So we just given here a condition that if repair date equals 22/7/2014, there are actually 4 or 5 three actually three condition. If any of these condition is fulfilled up, then this line will be printed that there should be installed a new ATM. So otherwise this line will be printed, ATM is okay. So I think now you can understand the way of working for foreign ATM. So now let's see, this is my local ATM, this is my local ATM, this is my foreign ATM. So what we are seeing right now, we are seeing here a main class, main method, and all of the variable, all of the parameter I just call from this class. So we just want to see the main method. So this is actually my abstract class. Okay, so I just want to just want to go to the main method. So this is my main method. So here I have just said all of the variable, I just given all of the variable here. So and I just use object to call the method. I just use object, I just use the object to call all of the methods. So you can see there is so many methods and so many object creation here, right? So so I have completed all of this. So now this is, I think, high time so for running this project. So let's see what is the output of this project. So I think you are saying right. This project has been running successfully, and there is no error or there is no bug here. So you are saying right. So all of this information that I have given has been successfully run and has been successfully outcome of this project. So I think this is the overall, this is the everything of my project. Again, I'm telling you guys, this is not a whole project for banking management system. This is a demo project for banking management system. So I think all of you now have a clear idea about my project. So I think you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz guys, love you all.